Good day and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing us how to use Ruby Exchange. Ruby Exchange is a DEX on Scale, and on Ruby Exchange you can do varieties of things on the Scale network, ranging from swapping to farming to bridging and to provision of liquidity. So here we can see some stats about Ruby Exchange. The TVL is over $990,000, and this is the price of Ruby token, and this is the all-time volume for this DApp, and the all-time fees on Ruby Exchange is also here. This is the total amount of Ruby token that has been burnt. So here we can see some other things about Ruby Exchange. You can swap quickly, you can bridge, and the exchange is fast and secure. It is also completely decentralized. You can collect NFTs and view them on your NFT dashboard on Ruby, and to meet other Ruby farmers and Ruby users, you can join the Discord channel and also to speak with the team. Here are some pools and farm on Ruby Exchange. We can see this one with the highest APR of almost 46%. That's Ruby and USDP. We also have ETH and USDP, as well as SKALE and USDP. BTC and USDP is also available, and here you can also see SKALE and USDP. So you can use your SKALE token to provide liquidity on Ruby Exchange against USDP and earn at a reasonable APR. So let's check out some key features of Ruby Exchange. Basically, you get maximum capacity efficiency with Ruby. There is stable swap and concentrated liquidity for minimal slippage. So on Ruby Exchange, when you're swapping, the slippages are the barest minimum. You know, some DEXs, the slippage is quite high, and this is disadvantageous to users. But while you are transacting on Ruby Exchange, when you're swapping on Ruby Exchange, the slippage is relatively low. Then you have zero gas. Just like the zero gas fee architecture of Scale network, it is applicable to Ruby Exchange. You trade and you provide liquidity at any amount with no gas cost. You don't have to pay for gas fee, and this is one of the top feature of Scale network. End users do not have to pay for gas fee, as the DApp creators, the devs, are already paid for the fees in advance, and end users just get to enjoy usage of the applications without having to pay for gas fee. Also, we have intelligent trade router. You can swap anything to anything with low fees. So you can swap from any token to the other on Ruby Exchange with very low fees. And NFTs are also incorporated to this DEX. It is not restricted to tokens alone. There are unique gemstone profile images and permissioned rewards. We also have the MEV protection, and the threshold encryption prevents funds running attacks. So funds are safe on Ruby Exchange. There is also a secure bridge on the DEX. You can deposit and withdraw tokens from Ethereum mainnet just within minutes. So if you are looking for a way to bridge across network, you can utilize the Ruby Exchange in carrying that out. So these are some of the salient features of the exchange: swapping, liquidity provision, the zero gas fee feature, low slippage, minimal slippage, swapping of diverse tokens, NFTs, encryption, protection, and secure bridging. You can see SKALE here as one of the partners of Ruby Exchange. So to get started on Ruby Exchange, all you have to do is to connect your wallet. So you have to be connected to Europa Hub on Scale. So now the wallet is successfully connected. If you want to transact on Scale network, you can easily claim the valueless um, transaction token, which is S4. You may need some S4 Scales gas token to make transactions on Ruby Scale chain. S4 has no market value and gas fees are very low. You can top up your S4 from the faucet, so you can just click here to get some S4 token. So we have successfully minted some SQL token, and we can go ahead with any transaction we want to perform on this desk. So like I said, we can swap. You can easily swap from any token. You can swap from ETH to, let's say, Scale. You can swap from ETH to Scale very easily. So then you can also provide liquidity. You can go to the liquidity pool to add liquidity. You can easily add liquidity. I don't have any liquidity added right now, but on this wallet, but you can choose which liquidity pair you want to provide easily, and we can see that the user interface is so fast, and I can comment on the user experience that it is at the best. You can also farm here. These are some pairs that look good. This reward is actually very good. This is encouraging reward. You can also use a bridging feature available. Can bridge easily to another network, and you can check out profiles here. So basically, these are some of the services and activities you can carry out on Ruby Exchange. Let's check out the stable pool. So you can see the stable pool here too. So it's quite um very nice. Looks very good. And you can check out your shares if you're providing liquidity. And, everything looks really cool. So for users of Scale Network and who are looking to transact on Scale Network, Ruby Exchange is a go-to DEX for you to carry out a lot of services, a lot of um, Web3 services, and remember, you can get your gas, the free gas, valueless gas here, just in one click, and it will be deposited into your wallet, and you'll be able to transact freely with no hassle, and in a seamless manner. So you tell me what you think in the comment section about this about Ruby DEX on Scale Network, and you can follow them on Twitter, Yes, there is the light and dark feature. This is the light feature for those that prefer light feature, using light feature on their devices. But personally, I think I'm the ninth person, so I always go with the dark feature. So that is that on my review on Ruby Exchange. You can tell me what you think in the comment section. I'll be checking. Thank you guys. See you in the next one.